Alright guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can actually use S'mores outside of the US. Since this is a US only app, I'll show you guys how you can download it. On top, I'll show you guys how you can actually redeem and get your phone number verified without having to actually own a US number. Now with that being said, let's jump straight into today's video. Okay, so getting right into it is very simple, guys. All you have to do is actually hit the first link in the description. Now, if you guys are in the US, you don't actually need to download it through the APK link. It will just be the regular link. So basically in the description, if you guys are from the US, I will make sure to actually say, US link, and then just give that to you. For anyone outside of the US, like currently I am, then go ahead and click the second link. Whichever link I disclose is for outside of the USA. Now really quickly, just introducing this app to anybody that doesn't know what S'mores is. Basically it's a lock screen, and once you actually turn off your phone and turn it back on, like the screen as in, then you guys will see your points up here. But once you actually swipe up, it will reward you with 10 points every single day, which you guys can actually redeem for, well, gift cards. And as you guys can see, we have 10 points pending, aka 10 cents. So every day that you do that, you will get 10 cents. But if you guys want to actually expand this on the phone farm like I am, then you guys will need multiple numbers, because pretty much, guys, every time you redeem, they'll ask you to actually verify your number before you are able to redeem. And yeah, so make sure you guys go ahead and watch throughout this entire video if you guys want to know how to actually do that without having to buy multiple plans. So once you guys actually reach the minimum amount for a cash out, which is 300 points, which technically should take you about a month, then you guys have to go ahead and actually verify your phone number as well as your email. So starting off with your email, it's very simple. All we have to do is click verify email, and well, give it a sec. And now that we actually have our email verified, we need to grab our phone number now. So let's go ahead and head back over to the app. So now, guys, as you can see, we have 380 points for verifying our email. Now let's actually go over and try to redeem a Amazon code. So right here, now if you guys go ahead and press redeem, you guys will see it will ask for a phone number. Now all these phone numbers that you guys put in here, it has to be a US number. So obviously if you're in the US, that's, you guys are chilling. Unless you guys just have multiple devices, then yes, you guys will need multiple phone numbers, because it works with only one phone number per account. As well, guys, using any VOIP numbers, so like text now apps, won't actually work with this application here. They actually detect it. So don't worry, guys, because for any of you guys who have multiple devices, don't want to pay multiple plans for a US number, or just are simply outside the US like I am, don't worry. Like I said, I got a solution for you, and it's on my desktop. So let's hop over here right now. Okay, guys, so welcome to something called Text Verify. Now, link will be in the description for you guys as always. Now, this website right here was actually introduced to me by one of you guys in the Discord server. If you haven't already joined up, what are you guys doing? Link is in the description. You guys go ahead and join that up. We got monthly giveaways happening as well, guys. We have an awesome community that shares information. So if you guys want any updates on phone farming or any brand new apps, then go ahead and hit up that Discord. And yeah, that will be brand new information for you guys before it makes it here on the channel. Now with that being said, let's jump straight into how we can actually get S'mores verified. So as you guys can see right here, it says verify your accounts now, USA, non-VOIP, and voice and SMS verification. So what we're going to do is head over to, well, after making an account, guys, what you have to do is actually go over to text and SMS. From here, you guys can see the actual rate that they charge based on which app or website you actually want verification for. So obviously this is not free, guys, but hey, if you're actually redeeming something, it shouldn't be too big of a problem, because you do it once and you never have to do it again. I think we'll figure that out later on in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But either ways, guys, what you want to do is actually fund your account first, so you guys can start with, well, buying it with Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum. So a simpler version, obviously, guys, is just pay with a MasterCard and Visa. So right here you guys can see this is what I've done. I loaded my account with $2.50. I already verified one account prior to making this video, but as you guys can see, it is worth it. And yeah, it is legit. So what I'm about to show you guys is actually, we're going to go ahead and verify this phone that we have going on S'mores right now. So what you're going to do is, after you funded your account, which will be showing your balance up here, so we have $1.25, what we're going to do is actually search Smore, and as you guys can see right here, it will cost us $1 to verify. So what we're going to do is actually click on S'mores. So basically we're redeeming $3, but it will cost us $1 for this one verification, but hey, we only need to do this once. I hope we'll find out if that's the case right after this, but here we go, guys. So what we're gonna do is actually, that's our phone number right here for S'mores. Now if we switch back over to the camera right here, as you guys can see, we're about to enter this phone number right here into this phone number, and we have 4 minutes before this number changes, I believe. So what we want to do is actually hurry it up a little bit, and so we got 1-3-3-0-3-5-6 and 0505. Alright, so once we actually hit text me, it should send the code over to here where you guys will be seeing it in the message area, and as you guys can see, we have that link right there. So what we're gonna do is actually just copy that link. So now that we have the code, it's pretty simple, but you guys don't want to wait too long, so all we have to do is actually head over to our email as usual, guys, and what we're gonna do is actually paste it into here, and we're gonna send it basically the link right here, guys. We're sending it to this email on this phone, that way we can click it on this device because we can't actually enter it from here. Now as you guys can see, we got our link, so we're gonna go ahead and actually click the link really quick, and as you guys can see, your phone number has been saved and it is now verified. So as you guys can see right here, we can actually redeem this Amazon code, and once we actually click redeem, as you guys can see, we have our gift card pending and it will be sent to our email. So right now I just want to go ahead and actually show you guys our account. Actually, yeah, it has deducted $1 off our account, so you guys can't see that message anymore. So make sure you guys actually copy that number before this time remaining runs out, otherwise you guys will have to pay another $1. So okay, so switching over to my other phone, as you guys can see right here, we just redeemed 300 points, well not just, but on May 24th, and as you guys can see, we have enough points to redeem once again. Now what I was curious about, guys, is do we actually have to go through this entire process again for a second cash out? Well, let's find out right now. So I already redeemed a gift card off this phone before, so we already did that verification. Let's see if we actually have to do it again. So click redeem, and once we click redeem, damn, we actually do it once and that is it, guys. It looks to be that simple. Wow. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have another 300 point cash out today on the 27th of this recording, and yeah, so it looks like this method right here really does work. So honestly, guys, shout out to whoever in the Discord server mentioned this to me. Go ahead and comment down below. I'm gonna go ahead and pin your comment. Also, guys, I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a quick payment proof. So as you guys can see, we just got our S'mores redemption literally 2 minutes ago, so these guys pay out fast. So all we have to do is click redeem, and as you guys can see, we have our code here. And as you guys can see, we have our code right here, so all we have to do is copy that right there, paste it in, and I'll show you guys we have 0 balance to begin with, even with reloading the page. So as you guys can see, what we're going to do is click redeem a balance, paste it in, click apply, and clearly, guys, $3 has been added to our balance. We can even go over to our balance, and as you guys can see, it is very simple. We got our $3 added to our Amazon.com account. So if you guys want to go ahead and try out this app for yourself, link will be in the description along with all the other sites that we use today. Now I'm assuming a lot of you guys actually like money making videos, so go ahead and check out the video on screen where we actually went shopping and got paid for grocery shopping. So make sure you go ahead and actually check out that method if you haven't already. I'll see you guys over there. Thanks so very much for watching. Peace out for now.